Hello viewers, I hope the previous videos would have been helpful for you. We are in simple past today. Already I have explained about simple present, their usage and how to make questions in simple present, etc. In this class, let us see simple past. Before getting into simple past, I would recommend something for you, that is how to memorize the vocabulary. Already I have told you how to learn more vocabularies. In this simple past, you should learn more verbs. Verbs are nothing but action words. Whatever action we do, you have name in that. For example, now I talk, you listen, I write, you read, I sit, you stand. So many things we use every day. So that action words are called verbs. If you want to speak past tense, then you should know the past word of that particular verb, at least the main verbs. For example, eat, the past tense of eat is ate. Have, the past tense of have is had. Drink, the past tense of drink is drank. This you can easily download it from Google, or you can get it from any of the grammar books and so on. It is not a matter. But without learning this, it is not easy for you to make sentence. It will be, main verbs will be hardly 80 to 100 words in your regular usage. That is more than enough for you to speak effectively. Okay, let us go. So in simple present, I told you there are two auxiliary verbs. One is do and other one is does. For simple past, there is only one auxiliary verb, that is did. The past of do is did. Again, the past of does is also did only. Did itself is in two ways. One is action word, one is auxiliary verb. The past of do is also did. The auxiliary verb is also did. That is why we always say don't use two past tense in one particular sentence. For example, if you say, if you ask a question, where did you went today? If you ask, where did you went today? That is actually wrong. You cannot use two past tense in one sentence. You should ask, where did you go? Because did is already a past tense. Again, go should come in present tense. What is the usage of past tense? Yes, everyday activities we saw in simple present, but action which is completed, we have to use simple past. Every time we speak about the past tense only, most of the time. When we want to communicate with somebody, when you want to convey what happened for the day, you want to speak to somebody, you normally say, today I went there, I met him, I saw him, I spoke to him, I saw a movie, the movie was... Like that we keep telling about our life and past tense every time. So to talk about the past tense, you need this tense. And the same, other rules are same almost, like I, we, you, they, and he, she, it. We normally talk about. For example, I. Yesterday was a holiday for me, so I got up little late. The past tense of get is got. I got up late. You can also say woke up. Wake, past tense of wake is woke. You can either say wake up or get up. The same way you can say woke up or got up. Yesterday I got up at 6 o'clock. I went to beach. I had a walk. And or you can also say I walked for a few hours and I came back home. I had a glass of milk, then I studied some book, then I watched some movie on television, and afternoon I had lunch, then I took a nap, and evening I had tea, evening I went out with my friends, and I returned home, I slept. So this all happened yesterday. So when you keep increasing your regular work and your vocabulary, so you can make it length. The only point you should use is, you should record it and listen whether you are using any was in your sentence. Actually, if you use was, it is not past tense, it is past continuous. You cannot use past was in the past tense. For example, some people used to say, yesterday I went to temple, yesterday I went to... This is actually wrong. Was and went cannot come in the sentence. That itself, you can understand that it is wrong. In the next video, I will explain you how to make questions in simple past. Thank you.